few months ago we were hit with Hurricane Ian. We're sort of always on alert, to be honest with you, whether it be hurricane, whether it be flooding, whether it be tornadoes, sort of any sort of extreme weather. Being on the coast, we are sort of always at risk. So any time that we can connect with the community and be able to donate trees, be able to hold these community outreach events is crucial to us, that's for sure.
We have several of our producer partners volunteering here with us today. I think we have 10 total, and it was very easy, and they were ready to step up and assist.
We love to be out and support the community when we can, so great time of the year to be out too, but just wanted to have our name associated with SageSure and do something great in the Myrtle Beach area.
We've lost a lot of our trees through past hurricanes, most recent Hurricane Ian, and we feel like it's important to beautify our city. The campaign was actually funded through a Go Paperless with SageSure insurance managers who we partner with. So we felt like it was appropriate to be out today and let everybody take trees to plant to help beautify our city.
So many times people get focused on putting their home back together after any kind of storm, really. Oftentimes the bigger plants and trees are the ones that had limbs gone or the whole tree was gone. So a project like this is fabulous. For free, you can come and select a great tree and try to put your landscaping back together, make your house feel more like home.
SageSure is able to partner with the Arbor Day Foundation because our clients and producers choose the paperless option. Every time a client uses paperless, we are able to give back to the Arbor Day Foundation to sponsor events like this.
We encourage all of our customers to go paperless, save a tree.
I truly appreciate this. I don't think you can understand how much my wife and I love this kind of stuff. I love you guys.